Honorable Justice Leon Leach.
Yes, ni The Quick Times News. Rero ni amakuru atugezeho muri aka kanya aho Perezida Kagame yasabye abacamanza kwiga ku bibazo bya ruswa n'imanza zitinda. Ni Perezida Paul Kagame rero aho yasabye abacamanza kwiga ku kibazo cya ruswa ndetse n'imanza zitinda biri mu byugarije urwego rw'ubutabera. Uhawe ikaze rero ni The Quick Times News. Nta kintu usabwa uretse kureba aho handitse subscribe ugakandaho maze tugakomeza kubana gatanu kuri gatanu mu makuru nk'aya ngaya. Uyu ni umwe mu mikoro yahaye abacamanza bateraniye i Kigali mu nama yahuje abacamanza bo mu muryango w'ibihugu bikoresha icyongereza twakita Commonwealth. Ni inama yahurijwe hamwe na perezida w'inkiko z'ikirenga barenga 20 ndetse n'abacamanza bo kuva ku rukiko rw'ikirenga kugeza ku nkiko z'ibanze. Abayitabiriye bose hamwe barenga 300 baturutse mu bihugu 45. Abayitabiriye rero bagamije kwigira hamwe uko ubucamanza burengera ibidukikije bwarushaho gutezwa imbere ndetse no kuganira ku bibazo byugarije urwego rw'ubutabera uretse gushyira imbaraga mu butabera bugamije kurengera ibidukikije. Perezida Kagame yasabye aba bacamanza no kwiga ku bibazo bya ruswa n'imanza zitinda kuko biri mu byugarije ubutabera. Mu magambo ye Perezida wa Repubulika yagize ati ndasaba gukoresha uru rubuga mu kuganira ku kibazo gikomeje gukura cya ruswa mu butabera n'imanza zitinda. Ubunyamwuga bw'urwego rw'ubutabera bushingira ku cyerekezo cyangwa se ku cyizere abaturage barufitemo. Perezida Kagame yavuze ko iyi mikorere myiza ari ituma urukiko rwose rugira ubushobozi bwo gukemura ikibazo runaka cyavutse. Ashimangira ko hatari uyu musingi ntabwo dushobora kugira isi itabogama kandi idatekanye. Umuryango mpuzamahanga urwanya ruswa n'akarengane Transparency International uherutse gushyira u Rwanda ku mwanya wa 49 ku rutonde rushya rwo kurwanya ruswa ruvuye ku mwanya wa 54 rwariho mu mwaka wa 2022. U Rwanda kandi nanone bigaragara ko ari igihugu cyateye intambwe mu kurwanya ruswa kuko cyavuye ku mwanya wa 54 n'amanota 51% mu mwaka wa 2022 kigera ku mwanya wa 49 n'amanota 53 mu mwaka wa 2023. Muri Afurika u Rwanda rwagumye ku mwanya wa 4 inyuma ya Seychelles ifite 71%, Cape Verde ifite 68% na Botswana ifite 59%. Ibihugu byose uko ari 4 byazamutse kuri uru rutonde. Gusa nubwo bimeze gutyo, leta y'u Rwanda ikomeje gushyiraho ingamba zitandukanye zo kurwanya no gukumira ruswa ikunzwe kumvikana mu nzego zigize urunana rw'ubutabera arizo ubugenzacyaha, ubushinjacyaha n'ubucamanza. Raporo Rwanda Bribery Index yashyizwe hanze na Transparency International Rwanda mu Kuboza mwaka wa 2023 igaragaza ishami rya polisi rishinzwe umutekano wo mu muhanda nk'iriri imbere mu kugaragaramo ruswa kuko ryihariye 16.4%. Iyi raporo kandi yagaragaje ko urwego rw'ubugenzacyaha RIB ari rwo rufite abakozi bakiriye ruswa nyinshi muri $4,527 by'amafaranga y'u Rwanda yatanzwe n'abantu 16 agera kuri $3,860,000 niyo yabasabaga ko ababo bari bafungiwe muri za kasho bafungurwa. Uru rwego rwakurikiwe n'ubw'ubushinjacyaha bufite abakozi bakiriye ruswa iri ku mpuzandengo y'ibihumbi 200 y'amafaranga y'u Rwanda. Ubucamanza bufite abakozi bakiriye iri mpuzandengo y'ibihumbi 153 buza ku mwanya wa gatatu. Ni The Quick Times News rero nta kintu usabwa uretse kureba handitse subscribe ugakandaho maze tugakomeza kubana 5 kuri 5 mu yandi makuru.
Close collaboration with the law enforcement, therefore, with independent and experienced judges. There is a lot that can be done to protect our environment. Honorable Justice Leon Leach, President of the Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association, Chief Justices and representatives, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to join you for the 2024 Commonwealth Magistrates and Judges Association Conference. To begin, I would like to welcome you all to Kigali. We are very pleased to have you with us, and we thank you for choosing our country as a venue for this meeting. Environmental justice, the theme of this important gathering, is a top priority for the Commonwealth. In fact, 2 years ago, when Rwanda had the privilege of hosting the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting, the urgent threat of climate change was at the top of the agenda. Today, global greenhouse gas emissions are disproportionately impacting Africa and small island developing states. But no country can afford to be complacent. All over the world, temperatures are rising at unprecedented rates. The quality of the air we breathe is constantly declining, putting us all at risk. Indeed, enacting environmental laws and policies is essential if we want to build a cleaner and more sustainable future. Even more important is having a strong and independent judiciary that enforces the law and puts the needs and interests of our people first. In Rwanda, after the genocide, we embarked on a journey to reform the justice system. This was a deliberate choice, driven by the conviction that the rule of law is a key building block for peace, security, and development. One of the most consequential laws our country passed is the ban on plastic bags. The effect has been tremendous. Beyond cleanliness of our streets, our homes, This decision reinforced the importance of managing our resources without too much dependency from the outside. Over the years, we have also taken seriously the conservation of our national parks. All over the world, these parks are home to endangered species who unfortunately continue to be the target of criminal networks. For local communities, this rich biodiversity is a primary source of livelihoods. Too often, wildlife crimes also involve a wide spectrum of cross-border criminal activities which put our national security at risk. Close collaboration with the law enforcement is therefore necessary. With the independent and experienced judges, there is a lot that can be done to protect our environment and provide justice where it is due. To end, I urge you to use this platform to discuss the growing challenge of judicial corruption and case backlogs. Ultimately, the legitimacy of any justice system rests in the trust that citizens have in it. That is the basis of the ability of the courts to ensure respect for due process and respond swiftly and impartially to any dispute. Without this foundation, we cannot make a fairer and more peaceful world. Once again, thank you for inviting me to speak with you today.